In this video, I'll show you the 3 best websites to watch anime legally for free in 2026. Now, the first platform on my list is called Bilibili. As you can see, there's so many anime titles available on this platform for you to enjoy legally for free, and also there are other content available apart from anime on this platform. Now, once you get on the platform, just click on the 3 dot icon and then select anime, and just like that, we'll be able to show you a lot of the anime content that are available on their platform, so you can actually watch legally for free. Now, they also have app available on the Google Play Store and App Store. On the Google Play Store, you can clearly see they are having over 100 million downloads, which means it is worth your time. So go ahead and download to your devices and have a wonderful time. Now, the second on my list is called Tubi TV. Now, Tubi TV is actually a combination, because on this platform you can legally watch a lot of content, from movies to TV series to live TV channels and also anime, all fully available on this platform. Now, if I go to the Google Play Store, you see that it's having over 100 million downloads, which means that this platform is more than worth your time, and you guys have to actually give it a try. So the only downside to this platform is that it's mostly available to people in the UK, US, Australia, and similar countries to that. So if you are not in those countries, you might not be able to watch anime legally for free on this platform that is called Tubi TV. Now, the last platform I'm going to be revealing in this video is a very popular platform, but unfortunately, this platform is not actually a free platform, but is the best platform for you to stream anime. And this platform is called Crunchyroll. Now, with Crunchyroll, you can stream a lot of anime titles, from popular to newest titles. They are dub available, and there's also sub available. So if I go to the popular section, you can see so many content available on the platform. Now, Crunchyroll used to be a free platform, free with ads, but few months ago they actually updated the platform. So now the platform is a premium platform. You have to pay for a monthly subscription to actually use it. But the good part about Crunchyroll is that it is actually very affordable. So if you actually want a place where you'll be able to watch a lot, and I mean a lot, of popular and trending anime, just go ahead and download Crunchyroll to any of your devices, either it be your Android, your iOS, your PC, and then you'll be able to watch so many titles at a very affordable price monthly. Now, in this video, I think I've given you guys 3 platforms, so give each and every one a try and let me know which one you prefer in the comment section. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.